Hey there, welcome to my review of Giant Ebook Kit. My name is John Hooks from John-Hooks.com, and we're going to be talking about this collection here today. I am on my bonus page, and to get to my bonus page from YouTube, go ahead and click on the link below or next to this video that says Get my exclusive bonuses and Giant Ebook Kit here. Click on that link and it will take you to the page where we are now. In addition, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the thumbs up and ring the bell. I appreciate it very much. So Giant Ebook Kit launches on Saturday, January 15th, 2022 at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. And this is something that I think that, especially if you're fairly new, and even if you're not fairly new to internet marketing, that it is something that you will want to have in your repertoire. Why? Because Giant Ebook Kit is a giant collection of ebooks that you can turn into your own products and sell for huge profits, or give them away as bonuses and explode your affiliate commissions. All right, so a little bit more about what it's about. And from Trevor Carr, the mastermind behind putting this package together, we have this. When we first started making serious money online from our affiliate promotions, there was one thing that made an insane difference of our results, and that is bonuses. But seriously, how on earth do you keep coming up with new ideas for bonuses, especially if you're new to affiliate marketing? It's hard to work to say the least, and can drive you crazy trying to produce fresh bonuses for each promotion. Get instant access to 3,000 ebooks with PLR, MRR rights. This is the biggest collection ever seen in our market. You can edit them, add your own name, and turn them into products and bank huge profits. We're all the most profitable niches, from health and wellness to make money online, lifestyle, dating, and much more. This has to be the easiest way to have a stream of your own and fresh products and launch them to the world. Save thousands of hours and thousands of dollars that you would normally spend creating your own products. Edit them or just use them as they are, your choice. Full private label rights and MRR, that's master resell rights included. This is your chance to buy and make money online product with tangible value. You get 3,000 assets that you can own. You can sell as many times as you want for as much as you want. Now, I was privy to get a pretty good number of samples, and I'm just going to show you a few to show you the quality of them here. So here is one of them, and called, Ultimate Internet Marketing. It is, let me move it over off of my photo there. And and these, have great graphics. They have covers. They have, the indexes. This one here is 87 pages, and for the most part, they're about 20 to 40 pages, so they're good quality. Here is another one, Opt-in Secrets. And as you see, there's space to put in your own affiliate links, to whatever offers or to your websites, and you can make it your own, which is what you want to do. All right, you want to build your brand, not sell someone else's, right? Here's another one, Email Marketing Tips and Tricks. It has, your contents, and the ones that have contents, I believe all of them, at least that I have gone through, have clickable. So let's say we want to go to, optimize your delivery. So you can just click there and it'll take you directly to that page. All right. Now, like I mentioned before, these things, have graphics and illustrations in them. Here's another one, Black Hat SEO for beginners. Another content page, and here's with some graphics to show you some proof of results and whatnot. Of course, you have links and everything like that. So just a quick sample of, obviously I can't show you 3,000 and certainly can't go through, a single book, with the time that I have to make this review video. And so what is this going to cost? Oh, now let me, first say here that, listen, I'm going to show you the cost of this, but most importantly, I want you to stay tuned. Don't leave, because I have bonuses that will complement this, and especially my main bonus for you that I put together, which is because, as you saw, these ebooks are all in PDF format. Okay, now what's the problem with PDF format and making it your own? Editing them. And so, how do you put your own link in there? How do you go in and modify something if you want to change something? Because it's a PDF, and unless you have, the expensive version of Adobe, you're typically not able to do that. But one of my main bonuses is a resource, that you can do it indefinitely for free. Okay, so stay tuned. So what is this going to cost? $12.95 is what's going to get you the Giant ebook kit, and that's going to give you the 3,000 ebooks with the PLR rights, as mentioned above. And of course, there's some OTOs here. OTO number 1, the triple up upgrade for $37. You're going to triple up your results and assets with Giant ebook kit. Triple up upgrade is 1,000 PLR ebooks added into your account with the PLR rights, 2 million niche PLR articles with PLR rights, 1,900 HD and 4K stock videos that you can use in your own projects and client projects, and 8,000 animated graphics you can use in your own projects or your client projects. Okay, and OTO number 2, the Pimper collection for $47. Everything Pimper related in a full membership site access. OTO number 3 for $97 is a resell rights to everything that you see here. You keep 100% of the profits. And OTO number 4, cash from scratch for $47. Next little section I forgot to take out. It's not relevant, but of course, you get your money back guarantee. There is a short demo video included here on my website, so go ahead and bookmark that if you want to see it. It's not very long, just a couple of minutes. Now, let's get to my bonuses here. So to start off with, bonus number 1 is, I came up with a resource, a software program that is totally free to you. All right. Edit PDF documents, all right? 100% free. It's not a trial offer or anything like that. Use it as many times as you want, which of course, you have 3,000 or maybe 4,000 ebooks. You don't want it to jump up to some then monthly membership or have you stuck. And the important thing with that is adding your own links. So this is a fantastic complimentary offer that goes along with that. Now, also, I have some traffic related bonuses, starting off with bonus number 2 here called Promote Your Offer. Bonus number 3, Affiliate Takeover. And bonus number 4, Affiliate Marketing Magic. All of these to help you promote your offer or provide or get access to free email sources. And then, of course, you have access to the vendor bonuses that Giant ebook kit will be giving to you when you get that today. And speaking of getting that today, at any time, click on any of the red banners, on my bonus page here to take you to your secure checkout. Now, there is another offer that I want to present to you too. As you notice here at the top, as we scroll, there's this attention bar that stays standard, about create and launch your own products. Okay. Now, what this is talking about is a product called Launch Ease. All right. And today, when you click on either one of those links, you're going to get 50% off of this brand new product. Something that just launched a few weeks ago. And so 50% off is built in, and go ahead and grab that, and that's going to help you, once you go ahead and find a couple of ebooks that you want to modify, make your own, make it into a viable product to sell. Then you're going to have to sell it, and Launchies will let you do that. All right. Well, that's going to take me to the end of my review here today. And please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the thumbs up. Find that alert bell and give that a thing too. And I appreciate that very much. So that is it. Thank you for taking the time to watch this review of Giant Ebook Kit. And as always, to your success.